We all know plants need sunlight to live, right? They soak up those rays, turn them into energy, and make the air we breathe. But what if I told you their most mysterious, most vital work happens when you are completely asleep? Daytime versus nighttime. During the day, plants are busy superheroes, performing that incredible feat called photosynthesis. They're like little solar-powered factories, taking in carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to create their food, sugars, and, thankfully for us, oxygen. It's their daytime job, and they're brilliant at it. But here's where the myth comes in. Most of us imagine plants just stop when the sun goes down. They're asleep, right? Nope. That couldn't be further from the truth. While the world sleeps, plants are pulling an all-nighter, engaging in a secret life that's just as crucial, if not more mysterious, than their daytime hustle. Unveiling Respiration, the plant's night shift. So, what exactly is this nocturnal secret? It's called cellular respiration. Think of it as the flip side of photosynthesis. If photosynthesis is building up energy, respiration is using that energy. In simple terms, plants breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, just like us. Yes, you heard that right. While they are net producers of oxygen, at night, they're using oxygen to break down the sugars they made during the day. This process releases the energy stored in those sugars. Why do they need this energy? For everything. Growth, repairing damaged cells, moving nutrients around, opening and closing their pores, basically, staying alive and healthy. Even without light, a plant is a living, working organism that needs a constant supply of energy to maintain its vital functions. Beyond breathing, the hidden nighttime network. But respiration is just one part of the plant's night shift. There's a whole hidden network of activity happening in the darkness. Think about all those sugars produced in the leaves during the day. They can't just stay there. At night, plants are busy transporting these sugars and other nutrients, a process called translocation, from the leaves down to the roots for storage, or to new growth areas like developing fruits or buds. It's like a plant-wide delivery service working overtime. And then there are the stomata, those tiny pores mostly on the underside of leaves. During the day, they're usually open to let in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. But at night, things change. Many plants close their stomata at night to conserve precious water. Imagine if they kept them open all night, just losing water vapor into the cool night air. But it's a delicate balance. Some plants might open them slightly to release excess carbon dioxide from respiration. Survival strategies, adapting to the dark. Plants have evolved some truly fascinating adaptations to optimize their nocturnal functions, especially in challenging environments. Take CAM plants, for example, like cacti and succulents. Living in scorching deserts, they can't afford to open their stomata during the day. They'd lose too much water. So, they do something incredible. They open their stomata only at night to take in carbon dioxide. They store that carbon dioxide and then, during the day, they use it for photosynthesis when their stomata are safely closed. And it's not just about internal processes. Some plants put on a dazzling show at night to attract specific nocturnal visitors. Think about night-blooming jasmine or the magnificent queen of the night cactus. They emit powerful, alluring scents and open their flowers only after dusk to attract moths, bats, and other nighttime pollinators. It's a whole different dating game in the plant world. The unseen world. Why this matters to you. So, why should we care about this unseen world of nocturnal plant activity? Well, it's not just cool science, it connects to our everyday lives and the health of our planet. Plant respiration plays a vital role in the global carbon cycle. While photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, respiration releases it back. Understanding this balance is crucial for climate science and predicting changes in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. Our forests and green spaces aren't just daytime oxygen factories, they're complex biological systems working around the clock to maintain our planet's delicate equilibrium. So, the next time you look at a plant in the dark, remember this: it's not sleeping. It's engaged in an essential, hidden dance of life, a silent, tireless performance that keeps our world vibrant and alive. And maybe, just maybe, you'll appreciate its quiet resilience a little bit more.